Hi guys, I wanted to do a quick video. I had several people asking if I could show how to do the tube for the horse paste properly. So as you can see on this one, I have already used some of the ivermectin in here. This little notch right here, it holds into place right here, and you can move it left to right. If you put it in this position, it does not move. If you put it in the unheld position, it can move up and down. If you turn it over, each notch right here is 50 pounds. And so right now I am going to hold the blue and turn it this way so it can move up and down. And I'm going to do 4 notches for 200 pounds. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to do it after the notch that you need. So you're going to be seeing 4 notches right here. You're going to turn it back into place so it locks. And as you can see, it's not movable anymore. You're going to take the lid off. It's kind of stuck right now. And as you can see, the paste is all the way at the top. That's where you want it. You don't want no air in there. And I just put it into a spoon. I'm going to set it down because I like to hold the tube while I'm pressing it. So let's see. I'm going to hold it, and then I'm going to squeeze, and the little lever will hold into place the pounds that you selected. Now, if this is not locked into place, it's just going to squirt out everywhere. I hope this helps with everyone that was saying they couldn't see in my other video. This is just the dose for 200 pounds. Put the lid back on and keep it in a dry room temperature place, and it will last until its expiration date, which can be found on the bottom of the tube right here. I hope that answered all you guys' questions. I wanted to thank you guys for your support. If you have any more questions, I will try to answer them for you, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks.